All right, YouTube, this is it. The 120 converter for the diesel heater. Look at her in all her glory. So this is what we got. Switch power supply, Amazon special. I think it's 20 bucks. That's what it is. Just got it out the box. All right, so we're gonna start off with an extension cord. I've already torn one off an old battery, backup battery for a computer. We got our hot, this is black. We got our neutral, which is white. And we got our green, which is ground, and it's gonna go right here. Live wire, black wire, neutral wire, ground wire, ground wire. If you notice during this video, we're not out here sniffing like we have a cold. You know why? Because it's not 3 o'clock in the morning and we're not doing stuff we're not supposed to be doing. Twist that a little bit, there you go. All right, so that's going to be our power hookup. Now we're going to the heater. We have a red and a black. So the red is going to go on one of these V positives, and the negative is going to go on one of these V negatives. We're going to choose one all the way to the right and the negative one to the right.
I don't think that was trimmed enough, but... Red one. Got it nice and tight.
So there it is. Completed. This orange dial here, we had to fool with that with the multimeter over there to dial it into the voltage we wanted it. Now we're going to plug it in and see what happens. In.
I don't want it to fall off.
We got power, folks. Let's turn her on. She's on. That's my exhaust job I did there. See if she's gonna work. And we did adjust that voltage to where it needed to be. A little over 120, 130. That's where I think we got it to. Well, I'd say it's a success. It's like preheat, you know, how it's set up to blow up, but I'm pre-blown, so I'm already hooked up. That's Dime Bonics, people. See you next time.